Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2015 Kia Sorento estate, which is a 2.2 litre manual in diesel. It's also colour silver. Comes in with just over 74,500 miles. Has some lovely 17-inch alloys with all-terrain tyres, which are in lovely condition. So your parking sensors on the back. Lovely nice clean engine bay. Does have some marks around here, but these will be getting sorted before sale. Moving into the interior. Comes with all electric windows all round. Controls for your parking sensors and your lights. There we are, as you can see, just over 74,500 miles. Comes with a 4.3 LCD touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity and reverse camera. Nice clear image. Also has dual automatic air conditioning. And with the USB aux cigarette lighter and your 12-volt charging port. This is a 6-speed manual. Comes with 2 cup holders with extra storage. This comes with a dash cam with an integrated digital speedo. Self-dimming rear view mirror. Also comes with front heated seats, height adjustable front seat. Moving into the back, we have a 60-40 split on the back seats, with the middle coming down as an armrest with 2 cup holders. Next storage on the back of the front seats, also with a 12-volt port. And in the back here we have a 50-50 split for the back seats, which are flat folding. That's with the pull-out parcel shelf. Also comes with rear aircon controls. Lock and wheel nut and jack. As you can see, it's a lovely nice interior, nice and clean. No rips or tears on any of the seats. Also have height adjustable headrests on the back. Forgot to mention, it also has a full size spare alloy wheel. Also comes with locks for the windows. Also comes with 2 keys and a 6-month warranty. There we have it, 2015 Kia Sorento 2.2 litre manual diesel in silver. Thank you for watching.